Hello, Kamala Hashiv and you. Ha hoola duine a cìnav na kìre mu Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris agus Joe Biden. Hami clinchin Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris. Hami gemat apalet. Hami gemat apalet. Hami gemat apalet. Hami gemat apalet. Ach ha iad Kamala Harris agus Joe Biden. It's not Kamala Hashiv. How are you? But I'm hearing it all the time on the media. Kamala Harris, Kamala Harris, Kamala Harris. And I just keep wanting to say Hamigama, 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 because I'm hearing this in every moment. Ha hoola duine a cìnav na kìre mu Kamala Harris really translates as they are chewing the fat over Kamala Harris, or Camilla Harris to say her name properly. And that Gaelic sentence translates as everyone's talking about it. They're chewing the fat. They're thinking it over. Joe Biden and Kamala Harris, will she be the next president of the United States? Let's break this down into bits. So ha, hoola duine means everybody. And when we say it fast, hoola duine, hoola duine. Kanav na kìre, chewing the fats about Kamala Harris. So if you hear in the next few days, Kamala Harris, it might not be someone asking you how you are. It might be a conversation about Biden agus Harris, Joe Biden agus Kamala Harris. So, hoola duine a cìnav na kìre mu Kamala Harris. Everyone is chewing the fat over Kamala Harris. I'll write it in the notes. And remember, Kamala Harris, Hamiguma. Maybe it's a good way for you to remember the greeting of how are you, Kamala Hashiv. It's when you say it fast, it sounds just like Kamala Harris. Tapalet. Cìre Andrasta.